Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on the ZTE RedMagic 10R. Alright, so let's begin. To improve the speed of our phone, we have a few ways how we can do it. So let's begin with the first thing, and we're gonna open up the developer options at first. So let's open up the settings to get access to the developer settings because they are hidden. We need to scroll down into the bottom, click on About Phone, and now scroll down, and in here we can see the build number of our device. We need to simply tap on it a few times, and now I need to confirm by drawing my pattern. Alright, and now we can see that we are now a developer. So now go back, find the system and update, and now above the recent options we have the developer options. Alright, now make sure that it's enabled right in here, and now we need to scroll down and find a few things. So let's scroll and look. Oh, my bad, sorry. Now let's keep on scrolling. They should be right here. Alright, so we have those three specific options: the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animated duration scale. Currently and defaultly, as you can see, they are set on 1x, but to improve the speed and the performance of our device, we can select each option on 0.5 or on off. It's completely up to you, but remember not to increase. Don't go above 1x, only go lower. So let's say I'll select the 0.5. Boom, now it's selected. Also we can scroll down, and we have also in here one option that we can change. Find the apps, and in here we have the background process limit. Defaultly it's set on standard option, but we can select at most 3 or at most 4. Alright, so that when it comes to the developer options, and now I'm gonna show you some basics. So for example, let's open up settings and let's find the apps. And in here, if you have your apps that you are not using, you can simply select it and uninstall them. Simply, very easy. Also, you can click on storage and cache. And if you have some cache on some apps, you can click on it and delete it. Currently on Facebook it's not available because I wasn't using it, but on your device, if you are using some apps, you will have the possibility to clear the cache. Now we can go back from here, and also if you want to uninstall apps, you don't need to do it only on settings. You can, for example, on this home screen, simply hold on the icon, and you can uninstall it from here by clicking on that button that you can see. Now we can go into the settings once more, and we can go into the battery, and no, sorry, not into the battery. It's not in here. But actually we can optimize its usage. We can click on that button, and 4 things can be optimized to improve it. We can click on optimize, click on done, boom, and now we get also some battery time. So that's pretty cool. Now we can click on the storage. In here we have our data, our storage space, and all of our apps and other stuff. So for example, we have almost 5 gigabytes of our data and apps, but sorry, that's not the thing that I'm actually looking for. It should be somewhere in here. Maybe I'll also adjust the brightness a little bit. Okay, it should be somewhere in here. Okay, here it is. It's the cleanup option. We can click on agree, click on allow all, click on consent. currently there's no enough space to clean up, but if you have that possibility, simply in here click on clean up. Alright, also, sorry, I don't want to open up that stuff. The next thing I wanted to show is simply you can open up the recent apps by performing that move, and simply you can exit the apps and close them, close the apps that are still running in the background. Thanks to that, you also get some speed, and your phone should work better. And also, the last thing I'm going to show you is a simple reboot. Actually, not the last thing. Also, I will tell you that from the Play Store you can also download some apps that will help to manage your storage space, or for example to clean junk files. And you can download them simply from the Play Store. Simply type cleaner or cleaning app. You can also check on the internet for recommended apps, and you can download them on your device. And the last thing I wanted to show you is the simple reboot. To perform it, we need to hold the power button, just like that, to launch the power menu, and all you need to do now is to simply tap on the restart. Performing a restart is a recommended thing for our device, because during the process our phone rests, we can say it in that way. During that process the RAM frees up, and also during that some of the background processes that are still running are being closed. And in my opinion, you can perform the reboot not that often, but I think the once a week is normal and it's accurate. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.